alam mo, sinasabi ko na sa inyo, yung matagal na dyan at yung may nagdispalko ng pera sa gobyerno, hanggang ngayon hindi pa na, what I'm referring to Gordon, kung hindi ang presidente nukay yung kaso niya, he would never pay the government of the 86 million that he malversed. Walang, tapos ngayon, siya pa yung holier than thou. Siya na yung may kasalanan, siya na yung may utang, tapos pati ako, dadamayin niya, Hoy Gordon. Kung gusto ko talagang magyaman, matagal na. 1,000 times over the opportunities for me to go to corruption and make money. Wala ako niyan, kaya ako walang talo. Kaya nga ako na presidente, ikaw hindi eh. Tigas ng ulo mo. You want the best evidence. Why? Ako na presidente, ikaw. Hanggang sige ka lang ang re-election. Ganda pa ng cemetery mo. You really have prepared a good garden para yung sa pamilya mo, yung namatay na patawad na lang. But you have a descendant here who's stupid and silang may pera, may kumutang ng pera sa gobyerno. Hindi utang. Sila naghiram. Government funds and no, sa kanya walang accounting. Yung may accounting niya, hindi naman tinanggap ng COA, dinisallow. Kaya kung dinisallow ng COA, ibig sabihin yan, hindi mo ginasto sa tamang paraan yung pera. That is why when the notice of disallowance, you are supposed to pay back government. But you appeal ka hanggang Supreme Court, the COA was sustained, the findings of the COA was sustained, and so you were ordered by the Supreme Court. Kaya kita mo pati Supreme Court, you don't follow even ikaw abogado ka. And you're supposed to honor whatever decisions of the Supreme Court may decide even against yourself. Gordon paid the 86 million, otherwise, sabihin ko ang Pilipino ngayon, 86 million ang pera ninyo, dinispalko ni Gordon 4 years ago. Hindi ito pang politika. I'm just telling the people, Filipino people, that huwag na niyong butuhan yung corruption. Diyos ko po. Sabi ko nga, kung pumasok ako dyan, katabi na sana tayo ng bahay. Saan ka ba nakatira? Forbes Park? O magaganda yung bahay ninyo, magaganda yung subdivisions ninyo. Kung may pera lang sana ako, di meron rin akong bahay dito. Gago ka. Di ko nga mapagawa-gawa yung bahay ko doon sa...
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.